I want to talk about these wooden cooking utensils that Ziruma sent me to do a video on. What my favorite feature about these is they're wood. That's it. One piece of wood, and they take it and they break it down, and you end up with a piece that doesn't have any glue or any nasty stuff, nothing toxic that you need. And taking a look, you get a whole variety of different options. So these are going to be perfect regardless of what you're cooking. You're going to get great use out of these. Now you also get a manual that breaks down care for these. Very simple. And also you get a small package of a cotton-based coating, which is going to be great for maintaining these and keeping them in good shape and trying them out for the first time. Another one of the nice features I like, these are really good for all kinds of pots and pans, but especially great with ones that you need to be wary of the bottom and not want to scrape it too much. So I'm going to love using this for cast iron, anything ceramic. These are going to be a staple in my kitchen for sure. If you'd like some for yourself or a loved one, click on the link in the description below.